Hey beauties! In today's video, I'm sharing my everyday morning skincare and light makeup routine. This routine makes me feel fresh, confident, and ready to take on the day, all without spending hours in front of the mirror. If you're into self-care, light beauty routines, and want to feel your best every morning, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's glow together! Segment 1. Washing my face in the morning. I always start my day by washing my face. It wakes me up, refreshes my skin, and removes any oil or residue from the night. A gentle cleanser is enough, no need to overdo it. Segment 2. Moisturizer is a must. No matter your skin type, moisturizer is a must. I go for a lightweight formula that hydrates my skin without making it greasy. Creates a smooth base for everything that comes next. Segment 3. Don't skip sunscreen. This is non-negotiable. I apply sunscreen every single day, even if I'm staying indoors. Protects my skin and prevents premature aging. Trust me, future you will thank you. Segment 4. Tinted moisturizer or light base. Some days I want a bit of coverage. That's when I use a tinted moisturizer or a light coverage base. It evens out my skin tone while still looking super natural. Segment 5. A touch of blush. Blush is magic. It gives life to your face. I add just a touch to my cheeks for that healthy, awake look. Cream blushes are my current obsession. Segment 6. A little mascara goes a long way. Mascara opens up your eyes and makes you look more awake. I like to go light, just one coat is enough to make my lashes pop. Segment 7. Lip balm love. Lastly, lip balm. I always carry one with me. Keeps my lips soft, hydrated, and gives a little shine without overdoing it. And that's my simple, glowy morning routine. Let me know in the comments what your must-have step is in the morning. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Wishing you a beautiful, confident day ahead.